Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Ashing Adventures. And for today's vlog, we are sharing to you an unboxing video para sa aking new Young Living Premium Starter Kit. Tada! Ito siya. So, kaka-deliver lang niya today. Actually, I ordered it last week ng Thursday and then dumating na siya ngayong Monday. It's really good kasi mabilis na yung delivery nila. Just to give you a background, I've been using Young Living Essential Oil since 2017. Pero hindi ko siya ganun kaseryosong ginagamit kasi paminsan-minsan lang nagde-diffuse ako. Pero lately, nung nagka-pandemic, syempre, lahat tayo naging health conscious and all. So, I really wanted to invest more sa mga essential oils kasi I really know naman na makakatulong siya sa health and wellness ng aking family. So, here, I enrolled my husband to be a member as well para makakuha kami ng new Young Living Premium Starter Kit. I'll show you what's inside. Before opening, kailangan sanitize muna. Tapos, at saka natin open yung box niya. Oopsie. It looks the same dun sa una kong PSK kit. Wow, ito siya. So, meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 na oils. Alam ko meron pa siya sa loob. There you go. Meron pa siyang isa dito sa loob. So, bali 11 sets siya ng oils. Ayan. So, they have Stress Away. They also have peppermint, thieves, lemon, dijice, copaiba, lavender, frankincense, panaway, raven, and citrus fresh. Yan yung 11 oils niya. And aside from that, meron din siyang kasama nung Ningxia. Ayan. Masarap tong inumin. Ayan, Ningxia. And then, it also have small bottles para kapag ka magme-mix ka ng mga oils, if you want to para sa sakit ng ulo, you can use it. Mag-mix ka ng Panaway with your carrier oil, yan, pwede mo siyang lagayan. Or if you want to give oil sa mga friends mo or family, you can also use these little bottles. Yan. And then eto mga information about oils, nandito din siya. Para kapag may mga nagtatanong sa'yo about the oils, pwede mo silang bigyan ng information about it. So, ito yung welcome brochure nila dun sa Premium Starter Kit. So, yan. Nakasulat dito yung usage ng mga oils. Kunwari, let's say, Stress Away. Para saan ba siya? For peaceful, for comforting, and soothing feeling kapag ginagamit mo yung Stress Away. Ang favorite oil ko dito, I can say na lavender kasi pwede siya sa skin, pwede siya sa hair. Actually, I'm using it para sa skin problems ng anak ko and then sa hair fall naman ng asawa ko. Tapos, I'm also using it kapag matutulog kasi ang sarap matulog kapag may lavender na nagdi-diffuse. Ayan. So, aside from that, yung Panaway, lagi din namin ginagamit. Pag may mga sakit ng ulo or body pain, Panaway yung ginagamit. So, there you go. Aside from that, meron din silang kasama na product guide. Ayan. So, pag binasa mo to, mas malalaman mo about essential oils. Tapos, meron din sila nito, Young Living Roadmap. Not sure, wala ata ako nito before. Ayan. Ayan. Parang kasi ding networking din siya. Kasi syempre nagbabenta ka, tapos nagre-refer ka. Pero para talaga sa sariling gamit, maganda talaga siyang product. Ayan. Yun yung mga included in our new PSK kit. So, yun. What else ba? And I think that's it. Yun lang naman yung laman niya. And then, maganda niyan if you also want to try yung mga essential oils. You can always comment down below. I can help you out. Kasi yung nag-introduce sa akin nito, they have a group na tinutulungan din sila kung paano mag-mix ng mga oils. Ayan, para kunwari kung ano yung issue sa katawan, kung if you want para sa high blood pressure, skin problems, pagkakulang sa sleep, mga ganyan. They always have an oil combination na nai-recommend para matulungan in terms of matulungan kayo. So, itong Desert Mist Oil Diffuser, meron tong romantic candlelight flicker mode. And then, meron siyang 11 different light settings that you can turn off or turn on. Tapos, hindi lang siya diffuser, it also serve as a dehumidifier and atomizer din. So, you can also have a 3-run modes, perfect in customizable. Tapos, kapag daw low mode siya, up to 8 hours yung running niya, yung pagdi-diffuse niya. Yun. So, maganda siya. Pwede din siyang bilhin ng siya lang. Pagka bumili kayo ng Desert Mist, meron siyang kasama usually na isa or dalawang oil, I'm not sure. Pero, this time, kasama siya kasi sa PSK kit ko. Yan. So, that's my Desert Mist. Well, madami nagsasabi it's very expensive daw to buy this kind of essential oil, yung sa Young Living. Pero, pagka sinuma total mo naman talaga, you get what's the worth of your money kapag ginamit mo yung Young Living essential oils. And, sobrang pure kasi nitong mga essential oils na to. Hindi siya yung diluted na. So, you can still make and create other oil combinations using this kasi nga pure pa siya. So, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa mga carrier oil and then use it as roller para sa headache, para sa body pains, for massage oil, and such. So, talagang very useful yung mga essential oils for us. So, if you have any questions or any comments on how to use essential oils or how to become a member, you can always comment down below. And if you're also a user ng Young Living essential oils, comment down below para ma-add ko din kayo. In case I have questions, pwede din tayo magtanungan para paano nyo ginagamit yung essential oils nyo. So, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you like my new unboxing video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Kurt Ashing Adventures. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.